In this video, I will show you how to check your hard disk health for free using Disk Sentinel. First, open your browser and search for Disk Sentinel download. Open the first link and click on the green download button. Now select the latest version and start downloading. The file is around 35 MB, so it won't take long. Once downloaded, open the folder, right-click the file and choose Extract here. Now right-click the setup file and select Run as Administrator. Click OK, accept the agreement, and then click Next, Install. Click Finish, the program will launch automatically. Here you can see all the hard drives connected to your system. The software shows the health, performance and temperature of each drive. Health above 90% is good, and temperature below 45 degrees C is normal. If the health is low or temperature is high, your hard disk may fail soon. That's it, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick tech tips.